What is your name?
Dira Nayak.
Which class are you studying?
LKG.
Okay. What is your school name?
UKG. Tanwari Play School.
Okay. A for
Apple.
B for
Boy.
C for
Cow.
D for
Dog.
E for
Egg.
F for
Fish.
G for
Brass.
H for
Hen.
I for
Ice cream.
J for
Dog.
K for
Kite.
L for
Leaf.
M for
Mango.
N for
Nut.
O for
Orange.
P for
Parrot.
Q for
Queen.
R for
Rabbit.
S for
Soap.
T for
Tap.
U for
Umbrella.
V for
Vase.
W for
Wheel.
X for
Exotic.
Y for
X.
Z for
Zero.
Yay!
Let's take a